In this brief video, we will walk you through the Discovery Live user interface so you can get the most out of your simulation user experience. I'll start off by going into one of many example projects provided, and you'll notice that a simulation begins right away, as things like fluid velocities and boundary conditions are shown in the Solutions panel. Let's start by talking about the ribbon bar on the top of the user interface. Double-clicking any word will fully expose the ribbon bar. The commands in this ribbon bar mimic the ANSYS Space Claim user interface, and they are a complete set of model editing capabilities. A double-click will hide the ribbon bar as it is by default. Next is the primary tool stack, which further exposes common sketch tools and geometry editing commands. Also, you'll have the ability to define external and internal volume extractions needed for fluid simulations, and define common boundary conditions like temperature and flow rate. Moving to the Solutions panel, you can see that one solution has already been established. Here you can add more solutions or create graphical or numerical calculations that show on the screen particular areas of interest. Next is the Results Display control at the bottom, which controls the display of all simulations. An important option to control is the balance between speed and fidelity of Discovery Live. Moving the slider to the right will increase the fidelity of the solver and solution, which means more detail but with a longer solve time. We highly encourage you to explore various settings to find the graphical displays that help you the most. Many of the settings have slider bars to control the graphical elements and give you only information in which you're interested. Discovery Live has many unique rendering methods to display useful information, and one such rendering is the MIP. In this example, regardless of orientation, Discovery Live will show the highest value of velocity at any given pixel location. This makes visualization extremely easy. On the bottom right is an interactive legend where you can dynamically change the on-screen colors and values by dragging your mouse up and down. And finally is the Options panel in the upper right. Under the top gear, you'll find various simulation display options. Next is the Structures button, which lists all solid, surface, and faceted bodies. You also have the ability to quickly search for common geometry types, which aids in rapid modification of similar geometry. And finally, the last button will show various dimensional groups you've established. This is useful for rapidly changing dimensions and instantly seeing the trend in performance. Thank you for watching, and please visit ansys.com/discovery for more information.